Hi guys, we're going to be finding the mean from a frequency table. I'll explain what a frequency table is when we look at our. So we're looking at class sizes, and we've got class sizes of 27, 28 up to 32. And the frequencies 2, 4, 3, 5, etc. What do they mean? Well, what that means is we have two classes of size 27. We have four classes of size 28. 28 being the number of pupils. We have three classes of size 29 pupils. We have five classes of size 30 pupils, etc. So the frequency row F is the number of classes of the particular size shown in the class size row. Now, if we want to find the mean, which is a measure of the average number of pupils in a class, we need the total number of pupils altogether and divide that by the total number of classes. Well, the total number of classes is the total of the frequency row because we've got two classes at 27, four classes at 28, three classes at 29, etc. So in total, we've got 17 classes. We now need to find the total number of pupils. Well, two classes of 27 would be 54 pupils. Four classes of 28 would be 112 pupils. Three classes of 29 would be three lots of 29, that would be 87 pupils, etc. So we work out the total number of pupils by multiplying the class size by the corresponding frequency, i.e. by the corresponding number of classes. So 2 times 27 plus 4 times 28 plus 3 times 29 plus 5 times 30 plus 2 times 31 plus 1 times 32 altogether comes to 497 pupils. And we've got 497 pupils divided out in 17 classes, so the mean number of pupils is 497 divided by 17, and that's 29.2 pupils per class. And it's okay to have 0.2 of a pupil. Don't be thinking, well, that doesn't make sense, so we must have to round it off to 29. No, it's okay to have a mean value which is not a whole number. A slightly quicker way of doing it is to simply take the class sizes being our x values, the frequency row to be our f values, and just to add another row onto our table, which is going to be the x value times by the f value. So that's 2 times 27, 4 times 28, etc. Working through, multiplying the corresponding values, totaling that up, and now finding the mean. It's exactly the same method, just a little bit tidier by putting it into the table. So that's finding the mean from a frequency table.